Hi guys, today we're going to talk about rational exponents. And rational exponents are just exponents that are written as fractions. One of the important things to remember is that the top number is the exponent. So I'm going to write that in black here. The top number is the exponent, while the bottom number is the root. Okay? The top number is the exponent, the bottom number is the root. So if I wanted to rewrite this, I would write in the radical sign, the 2 goes here because that's the root. The base is the big number. The base is 4 still. And then the exponent, the top number, is what goes outside of the parentheses. So if I were to do out this problem, I would start by looking at what's in the radical sign here. So I have the square root of 4, and the square root of 4 equals 2. And then that's raised, notice it's raised to the first power. There's that exponent. See the exponents here. I put the exponent here, and now the exponent's here. And 2 to the first power is just equal to 2. That's how you would do that problem. The second one, again, let's make that radical sign here. So we're going to make the radical sign. And on top, the top number is the exponent. Okay, so that means I'm going to put this in parentheses and I'm going to put the exponent on the outside. The base is 8, so we'll put the base inside. And then the root is the bottom number in that fraction. And in this case, it's 3. Okay, so I just want to highlight. So we have the exponent here and the exponent here. Okay, we have the root is in the denominator of the fraction for that exponent, and the root goes here. That means I want to know what number multiplied 3 times is going to give me 8. What number 3 times is going to give me 8? And so if I do that math, the cubed root of 8 is 2, and I still have the exponent of 2, right? Again, the exponent's 2, the exponent's 2, the exponent's 2. And now I'm just going to do that math. 2 to the second power is 4, and that's my answer. Okay, so let's take a look at the last one. The last one we have here, I'm going to make my radical sign. I'm going to put the base inside the radical sign. And now I'm going to look, again, the 4 is the exponent, which means I'm going to put that on the outside of this. The 3, whoops, sorry about that. The 3 is the root. So I'm going to put that in here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to change that. I don't want 3 there. I want 5. So let me just change that. So it looks like this. And then inside that radical sign, which isn't drawn very neatly, is a 5. So I want to know what number multiplied 5 times gives me 32. And in that case, it is 2. And then it's still raised to the 4th power. So pay attention. The root is in the denominator. The root goes inside the radical sign. I want to know what number multiplied 5 times give me 32. And if you notice, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that will give me 32. So since I have 5 of the same number on the inside, I take 1 out with nothing left on the outside, on the inside. I have 2, so that goes here, and it's being raised to the 4th power. And 2 multiplied 4 times is going to give me 16. And that's my answer there. So just remember that when you have a rational exponent, the important thing to remember is that the top number is the exponent and it goes outside of the parentheses. The root is in the denominator, and that's what goes inside the radical sign. The big number is your base, and that's the number that you're looking to find out the root of. I'm trying to find out the root of 4, the second root of 4, or the third root of 8, or the fifth root of 32. So what number multiplied 5 times gives me 32? What number 3 times gives me 8? What number multiplied 2 times gives me 4? And then once I've done that, then I can do the exponent on the outside to get my final answer. And that's how we would do a rational exponent.